This is control. This is control. Let's give it up for the national anthems of the world. From France, the TGV, powered by Bobo. From Italy, the Cerebello, powered by Espresso. From Germany, the Intercontinental Express, powered by Rurgold. From Russia, as fast as possible, the Trans-Siberian Express, powered by Turnov. From Japan, the Shinkansen Bullet Train, powered by Nintendo. From Great Britain, traveling through the rain and the snow, the Prince of Wales, the Royal Train. British Rail announced a delay in the arrival of the Royal Train. This is due to staffing difficulties. And finally, from the US of A, the Union Pacific, powered by Greaseball.